Wall Cleaning 101. Can you see all of the marks? Definitely you can. I would say this is a wall in medium to bad condition. As you would know, most people use magic erasers, including us. Now, they are absolutely amazing. The only problem is 99% of the world use them the wrong way. As you guys know, a magic eraser is like an invisible sandpaper. If you push too hard, it will remove layers of your paint on your wall, which is why when we have bad condition walls, we apply the degreaser to melt through the layers of the grime, which make it really easy to wipe off, yes? The only difference is when there are stains, we'll need to apply the degreaser, then we'll need to wash the wall gently with your magic eraser. You can see how gently I'm washing the wall. Then remove the product, then wipe it dry. Really important to use your magic eraser gently, otherwise the paint will be removed. And you only use a magic eraser when you need to. Now, I've just sprayed a little bit of shine degreaser on my sponge, and we're going to gently, with 2 fingers, remove the scuff mark on the wall. Now you can see, removes straight away. Now I'm going to do another one below. I just want you to take notice of the amount of energy that I need to be able to do this in the first place. You can see the scuff mark? And I'm doing it very gently so you can see. Now you can see it's still a little bit there, so now push a little bit harder. Done. Keep in mind, how hard are you pushing and how many times are you cleaning over the same surface when you don't need to?